years ago. Enjoy. What? A few years ago? What? Wait. Wait, what? Is that supposed to be me? It kind of looks like me a little bit. Chat, is that supposed to be me? It is a cursed voodoo doll? What? No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Chat, let's read the note. Let's. Oh, he doesn't have enough acne. Hilarious, bro. No, hilarious. There's a letter in here. Creativity starts here. Mateo Magic. Yo, Mateo Magic, bro. I think this is me, bro. I think this is me. Let's see how big his wiener is. Okay, I'm sorry. No, but this is me, y'all.